Hello. I'm here today to teach you how to draw something that will cure hiccups. And as you may have noticed if you're very observant, today I'm cursed with the beauty of the curse of hiccups. Now I'll try not to hiccup too often because I realise that might be distracting. Now, do any of you out there know what I would draw to cure hiccups? No, that's wrong. If that's what you were thinking, that's wrong. So, it's really hard to concentrate when you have hiccups. Anyway, so that lightning's supposed to be yellow. Hold on. Hiccup! Well, that's yellowy green. That's okay. But we can't see it because the background's all checkered and white and grey. And hiccup! Let's see. Okay, if we fill this in blue, then the yellow should show up nicely. Or purple. Purple's a nice colour. Where's my fill thing? There's my fill thing. Ew! That doesn't look good. Okay, purple. Hiccup! Purple. Kind of purple. Hiccup! That's an ugly purple. And it's not filling over the lines. Oh dear. Oh dear. I put it hiccup. I put it on another layer, I thought, but I've disorganized my layers. Oh dear. I turn into a terrible artist when I have hiccups. Hiccup! Yeah. Oh dear, what's going on here? Oh no. It wasn't a problem with the layers, it's a problem with hiccups. Okay, let's see. Oh no. What have I done? Oh dear. How do I make a knot go not over lines? No, I wasn't asking you. Oh dear. That was a weird hiccup. Okay, whatever. I'm just going to fill it in this way and then we can... Oh, that was half a hiccup. Okay. Whatever, hiccups. I don't even care anymore. I don't even know what I'm drawing anymore. What was I drawing? Something to do with hiccups? Okay, so... if I cough and hiccup, then it silences the hiccup, apparently. Hiccup! Pen. Okay, so... hiccups. No. Hiccups. New layer. Hiccups. What are they, and where do they come from? Well, the first hiccup was invented in 1931 by Mary Hiccup, and she thought it would be a good idea, just for a joke, but it turned out they spread to people and then they kind of died down, but they remained dormant in people so that they would occur at, you know, unpredictable times. I wonder if my tea will cure hiccups. Nope, I just hiccuped while I was coughing. I guess they're not cured. Okay, so, well... I don't even know if that was a real hiccup or me just kind of predicting the hiccups. Anyway. I'm sorry, it's so hard for me to concentrate with hiccups. What am I even trying to draw? Every time I hiccup, I feel like I'm losing artistic ability. Hiccup! What's this? What are these shapes even called? Blobs. Blobs? I've got a green blob. I wanted a round one, a round blob. Hiccup! These hiccups are giving me a headache. And oh. Let's see. Circles. How do I get a circle? Where are hiccups when you need them? Oh. Okay. I just want a circle. Let's have a fadey circle. Circle. There we go. Oh, that's not... What the heck? It's not fading. Let's have an edgy pen. Yeah. Airbrush. Okay. Let's draw the first thing that always comes to everyone's mind when we start hiccuping. Pigs. So, pigs, as you might know, are pink, but who do you think invented the colour pink? Well, I can tell you that it wasn't Hiccups, and it wasn't Mary Hiccup, and it wasn't me, although I did invent many artistic concepts. I cannot think how to draw a circle. Where's the circle tool? It doesn't have one. Oh my god, what a terrible program. You know, I used to go around telling everyone this was the best drawing program ever, but if you want a circle, then apparently not. Oh dear. Oh, there's a circle up here. Can I click? No, no. Okay. Oh dear. This drawing tutorial is turning into a bit of a disaster, is what I would say if I were a terrible artist. Okay, I've done a circle. But the circle is not very central, so I'll move it there. Okay, now everyone knows that many pigs have at least one ear. So we'll give the pig 2 ears, because then they can hear in 2 directions at once, which is helpful when you're telling them that they're not drawn properly and they need to look different. Now, pigs also have mouths, but not like that, so don't draw them like that. And they also have holes in their face, usually 2 here, like that. And their eyes have little circles with hiccups in them. And that's not central. There we go. And now it's time to drink some more tea. Who's that? I hear voices. Can you hear that? Note to self, don't record these sessions with my window open. Yeah, you tell him, Hiccup. Oh, that didn't cure my hiccups. Oh well. This pig looks kind of like a bear. A very realistic bear, if you don't mind me saying so. Thank you. You're very welcome. So let's give him 2 dots in the ears. Or a she. Do pigs come in male and female? I think they do. I've never taken a course in pigs, so I haven't studied them to any major extent, but I think they come in male and female varieties. Well, that's not right, obviously. Where's the pig face? It's this layer, isn't it? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, I put the rainbows and the pigs on the same layer as the other one, so I need to... Okay, whatever. The pig can be wearing a bracket of rainbows, a collar of lightning, if I can remember the right words. Right now, a technique that I haven't shown on this channel before is shading. So shading is super simple. You just pick a lighter or darker color and draw with it. So do that, and now the pig's body is all shaded. Magic, more or less. Now pigs have legs, usually 4. So you don't need, you don't need to shade legs because, well, you can, but you know. So I'm just being lazy. And pigs have a curly tail, which is actually the only way to recognize a pig, because otherwise you can't recognize them, because they've got so much in common with other mammals. And it's time for another drink of tea. I think my hiccups are gone. Yep, I think they're gone. Excuse me. Oh, my hiccups turned into a burp. Cool. Right, so pigs. Hiccups. Something something. Magical hiccup curing pig. I hope this hiccup related tutorial was helpful. If you liked it, make sure to get some healthy hiccups into your regular daily routine and eat a balanced diet. And if you ever get incurable hiccups, go and find a pig. Okay, magical pig. It has to be a magical pig, and you can tell magical pigs by the way that they look exactly like the one I've just drawn for you today. Okay, good luck with your hiccups. Bye.